buddy. Mr. Attitude. Thank you.
Spot, that's enough.
No.
That's enough.
Hey, I guess you didn't eat it.
Well, I don't want him choking. What you doing, buddy?
No. Naughty dog.
What you doing, buddy?
Go away.
Huh?
Sting.
What you doing?
Leaving the house spot.
See if you can find his bone.
You want to on something?
Don't lick me.
But take your bone and chew on it. Good boy. Come on, Mr. Attitude.